हैदराबाद फॉरेंसिक साइंस लैब में आतिशज़दगी के वाक़ये की जामे तहकीकात की जा रही है। इसलिए अवाम और मीडिया को किसी भी गैर तस्दीक शुदा खबर पर बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं करना चाहिए। सोशल मीडिया पर किसी किस्म की अफवाहें न फैलाएं। नामपली, हैदराबाद में फॉरेंसिक साइंस लैब में आग लगने से कोई अहम सबूत ज़ाय नहीं हुआ। तमाम कलीदी फॉरेंसिक मवाद महफूज हैं। शिखा गोयल, डायरेक्टर, TGFSL। तेलंगाना फॉरेंसिक लैब में आग लगने से फोन टेपिंग केस वोट के बदले केश का कोई सबूत नहीं। शिखा गोयल, लैब डायरेक्टर। वोट के लिए केस जुर्म नंबर RCA 11/ACB/CRI/2015। 2015 में मौसूल होने वाली 16 मादवी अशिया की जांच की गई और मार्च 2021 में अदालत में वापस आए। इस केस का जीरो मीट्रेल आग के वक्त FSL में मौजूद था। फोन टेपिंग केस जुर्म नंबर 243/2024 पंजगटा PS। मार्च 2024 से जनवरी 2026 के दरमियान 132 मादवी अशिया मौसूल हुई। सबका जायजा लिया गया, रिपोर्ट्स जमा कराई गई /जेर तैयारी। तमाम मवाद बहिफाजत हासिल कर लिया गया।
Have been made since yesterday in certain sections of the media, including the social media, about the cause of this fire and the loss caused to the case properties. It is reiterated that most of the case properties have already been retrieved. The extent of the damage is being assessed and will be put up in public domain soon. I would specifically like to mention about two cases regarding which unsubstantiated and unverified claims are being made since yesterday. The first refers to crime number 11 of the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the year 2015. In this particular case, 16 material objects were received in the FSL on two different occasions in the year 2015, and the reports were submitted to the Honorable ACB Court in the year 2015 itself. All the material objects, all 16 items in this case, have already been returned back to the Honorable Court, and no material pertaining to this case was available in FSL yesterday. With respect to crime number 243 of the Panjaguta police station, the FSL received around 136 material objects from March 2024 to January 2026. In this, all these material objects except 7 items have already been examined and reports submitted to the forwarding authority during various times at different occasions. The 7 material objects which were still with the FSL were also being examined and their report is under preparation. Out of the total material objects, that is 136 which were received in this case, many have been returned back to the forwarding authority, and all the remaining have been retrieved safely since yesterday. We appeal to the members of public and media to exercise due restraint and avoid making such unverified and unsubstantiated